At the heart of every construction project lies the tireless dedication of manual laborers, unsung heroes whose efforts lay the foundation for our cities to rise. But what about their foundation, their own sanctuary? 350 individuals from the northern state of India, their days defined by dedication and hard work, working tirelessly in 8-hour shifts. These individuals are the backbone of every project. Project Sarthak Griha covers 10,000 square meters within a large construction complex. It is dedicated to creating comfortable living quarters for workers involved in the Shahpur Kandi Dam project. The current housing solution provides temporary shelters made from metal frames and GI sheets, housing 8 to 10 workers each, while the company provides basic facilities like septic tank washrooms and resting cots. Challenges like WC, maintenance and solid waste management still persist. The unit utilizes the concept of plug-in modules, adaptable to varying worker populations. Each unit offers a living space of 23 square meters, featuring locally sourced wood frames, straw bale wall panels and Rycron panels for the roofing. Sugarcrete flooring adds stability and it is supported by tire foundations made from 6 recycled tires per unit. The comfortable living space increases user productivity and allows a secure means of housing for the workers. The site comprises of 6 dwelling clusters surrounding a central green space which fosters community interaction. A communal dining area ensures workers to have access to secure and healthy meals, and waste from the kitchen supports the biogas plant and organic farming, promoting a self-sustaining labor colony. Provisions of crèche and medical room facilities provides a safe environment for the children of female construction workers. The site's water efficiency is improved by reducing the per capita demand through the use of low-flow aerating fixtures and rainwater harvesting. Access to clean water promotes proper hygiene and reduces the risk of waterborne illnesses. The project's Energy Performance Index has been reduced by 30% through the use of strategies such as installing solar PV panels on the cafeteria block roof and implementing passive cooling techniques. This results in optimized energy performance but also creates a comfortable living space. But Project Sarthak Griha isn't just about bricks and mortar. It's about building communities, spaces where workers can find solace, support, and a sense of belonging. From crèche services for families to public gathering areas for all. Sarthak Griha is more than just a housing project. It's a promise for a better future. Do you agree with the sustainable practice the team has chosen for your project?
I agree. They have given a lot of good inputs. They have given a lot of positive suggestions also, which are improving the lifestyles and facilities to our workers